If you think that the picture on your TV looks terrible, you're not wrong, because by default, every TV that's shipped out either ships out in standard, dynamic, or vivid mode. And these modes artificially boost colors and put strain on your eyes, and this is not what the artist intended you to see. So the first thing that you need to do is switch over to Filmmaker or Cinema or Movie mode. This will fix 50% of your problems. The rest 50%, this is how you do it. Now we need to find Advanced Picture or Expert Settings menu and neutralize the aggressive processing features that degrade the image. This is a mandatory kill list. First, motion smoothing. This is what creates the hyperreal soap opera effect by adding fake frames. Turn off anything called motion like True Motion, Auto Motion Plus, or Motion Flow. And then next, disable anything that sounds like Dynamic Contrast or Advanced Contrast Enhancer, AI Contrast Enhancer, or AI Motion Smoothing. These settings crush details in shadows and highlights. Finally, set the sharpness control to 0. Sharpness adds artificial halos to edges and should be completely disabled to restore the natural look of the source material. Now for the core calibration, we need to define your TV's absolute black and white points using a simple free tool. On your TV's YouTube app, search for AV HD 709 calibration. First, we set the black levels using the brightness control. Look at the pattern for the dimmest moving or flashing black square and slowly adjust the brightness until that square is just barely visible or disappears into the background. If you go too low, you'll crush blacks. If you go too high, blacks will look grey. Next, we set the white levels using the contrast control. Slowly increase the contrast until the brightest flashing white bars are clearly visible and differentiated. Stop the moment any of those bright bars merge into a single solid white block, as this means you're clipping white details like textures in cloud. With the contrast, let's tackle color. The industry standard for neutral white is 6500 Kelvin. On your TV, this is usually warm 1 or warm 2 setting, or any of the setting that says warm color tone. Now, when you do this, your TV might look a little bit too red or orangish or yellow. So let it be. Give yourself time to adjust, give it a couple of days, and then when you go back to that setting, you'll see that it was a sickly blue and this was actually hurting your eyes. So commit to watching on these warm settings for a few days. Finally, modern content needs one critical rule change for HDR. For standard HDR control, your backlight is conservatively adjusted, but for HDR, this rule reverses. When your TV switches to an HDR mode, you must set the backlight and the contrast control to maximum. This maximization is essentially to reproduce the stunning, realistic, spectacular highlights that HDR is designed for. Also ensure local dimming is set to high to boost that contrast. And that's it. You have achieved the best possible picture that you can reproduce from your TV. And you've done this for free.